Today we will be exploring a eukaryotic cell, more specifically a plant cell. These types of cells possess many unique features that set them apart from other eukaryotic cells, such as the animal cell. The cell wall is a layer of polysaccharides that forms the outermost layer of the cell. The main function of this organelle is to allow the plant to maintain morphogenesis, or the ability to retain its structure. Below this layer of wall lies another important organelle, the cell membrane. The cell membrane is a lipid bilayer that controls the movement of particles in and out of the cell. The ability to do this is known as semi-permeability. Cytoplasm is a gel-like substance which main feature is to hold all of the cell's substructures and organelles. Within this substance is where most of a cell's activities occur, such as chemical reactions and cell division. Now, onto another distinguishing feature, the vacuole. This substantial structure can sometimes be half of the volume inside of a plant cell. In animal cells, the vacuole plays a much lesser role in the cell's functioning than in plant cells, and is therefore much smaller. This structure stores waste, nutrients, and water. It also plays a vital role in supporting the cell's structure and maintaining homeostasis within the cell. Another distinguishing feature that sets apart plants from other organisms is the ability to produce energy through photosynthesis. This is a process through which the organelle called the chloroplast is able to use the sun's energy to convert carbon dioxide and water into nutrients that the organism can use to generate its own energy. Organisms that can produce their own energy are known as. Next, we are going to head to the part of the cell responsible for packaging and sending proteins, the Golgi complex. Proteins are transported throughout the cell in a structure called a vesicle, which is a layer of membrane that encases the protein. The cell membrane controls the movement of these particles in and out of the cell. These small, freestanding structures that populate the cell are known as ribosomes. The ribosome's job is to assemble amino acids into chains that form proteins. In plant cells, mitochondria are not as needed as they are in animal cells, because plants get their energy through photosynthesis. Mitochondria are referred to as the powerhouses of the cell, and are responsible for converting nutrients into energy. The lysosome's main function is to clean up waste products and old organelles that have lost their ability to function. All of this material is transported to the vacuole, where it is stored. The endoplasmic reticulum, or ER for short, is an interconnected network of tubes that come in two varieties, rough ER and smooth ER. Rough ER is coated in ribosomes, giving it a more textured look than the smooth ER, but make no mistake, as the two are responsible for very different functions. Smooth ER synthesizes lipids, steroids, and provides area for cellular reactions to take place. They also are responsible for the travel of ribosomes. The smooth ER connects to the nuclear envelope, which allows direct access to the nucleolus, which is responsible for the production of ribosomes. The last structure we are going to be looking at is the nucleus, the control center of a cell. It maintains the integrity of the genes in a cell and allows these genes to control the cellular activity and functions of the cell. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.